I literally cannot stop smiling right now because you guys are not going to be ready for this. Today I have the Mushoom Nomies. I have the 400 Nomies, not just one. I have two. I'm so excited. So the reason I have two, my friend bought me one, and then I was just like, you know what? I think it needs a friend. So I bought another one. Oh, also, if you guys don't know about Nomies, you can move their eyes. They're super adorable. It has 3 different style eyes. These are one of the Nomies. So it comes with 6 styles with 1 secret. Nebula is so dreamy. I really want Capriel or Jade. So any of these 3 would be what I want. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna open this one first, and then I'll open this one. Okay, first box. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's the fact that I just love Mushoom so much. Please give me Jade. Please give me Nebula. Who did we get? Oh, I got Nebula! Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh! Oh, she's the cutest. Her eyes are rolled up. Oh my gosh, look at that. She's so dreamy. She's perfect. It's like a jellyfish hat. Dude, it fits me. Like, what the? Oh my god. She's so cute. She's so cute. I love her. I love her so much. Okay, 1 more box left. This is the one that my friend got me, so I had to open it last so I know which one this one would be. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited! Yay! I am trying to manifest Capriel or Jade. Jade is gorgeous. I'm really hoping it would be Jade. Please, Jade. Jade, are you in there? It's like opening a present on Christmas Day. Makes me happy. Okay. Who do we get this time? It's fuzzy. It's fuzzy. Oh, I got the milk tea baby. I think. Wait, she's actually gorgeous. Wow. This is mocha. Oh, her hat is like a shiitake mushroom. Adorable. Wow, who knew I would love mocha so much? But I still really wanted Jade, but that's okay. I got Nebula. I'm pretty happy about her, to be honest. Oh, she's so fuzzy and soft too. I love them so much. I like how I got one silky texture and then one of the really fuzzy materials. Get the best of both worlds. My babies. Okay, it's like a shiitake mushroom. Look at. I am so obsessed. Look at them. Oh my gosh. Ah, they're like Dumbo. They're gonna flap their wings and fly away. Oh, ear wings. If you're wondering where you can get these cuties from, you can go on whoopee.com and use my code JW6 for 12% off on all your orders. Let me know in the comment below which one was your favorite. If you like this video, give my video a like and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. Bye!